this segment, we're looking at a feature called conditional formatting in Excel. Conditional formatting allows you to take data in a list that meets a particular criteria and have the cell highlight to make it stand out in a list. So for example, let's say here I want to highlight all the order amounts that are over $1,500. So first thing I need to do is highlight the area that I want Excel to check for conditionally format. So I'm on the first cell, not the column heading, and if I hold down the Shift, Control and press down arrow, it selects all the way down to the bottom of that list of data. Now what I need to do is go to conditional formatting, and I'm going to choose highlight cell rules and choose greater than. Now in this instance what I want to type in here is 1500, and you'll notice by default it's got light red fill with dark red text. I can click the drop arrow and choose a different color configuration if I want to, and I'll click OK. So what it does is it formats the text in the cell based upon its contents. So for example, this cell here that says 270, if I change that to 1501, as soon as I press enter, Excel automatically conditionally formats that and turns it into a highlighted piece of text. Now if you have a worksheet and you have the conditional formatting on it and you want to remove it all in one hit, you can go to conditional formatting, clear rules, and choose clear from entire sheet. So that's how you work with conditional formatting in Excel 2016.